Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. It is another delicious recipe. If you want to see how I made this delicious beef stir fry, please stay tuned. So guys, for this recipe I'm using oyster sauce, soy sauce, lemon juice, 1 egg, green beans and some chili, cornstarch, sunflower oil, sweet red pepper and onions, white sugar, broccoli, salt, garlic and carrot and beef. So guys, I'm going to pound my garlic. So guys, we are going to season our beef a bit. So we're going to add some soy sauce. We're going to add our egg. We're going to add some of our garlic. And we're going to add cornstarch. Now I'm going to add a little bit of sunflower oil. I'm going to mix everything together. Now I'm going to set the beef aside. So now we are going to prep our vegetables. Inside this pot we have our broccoli and carrot. I am going to add hot water inside there. I'm going to add a bit of salt. Now I'm just gonna allow it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, after 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to take it out of the stove and I am going to pour cold water on it because I do not want it to cook any longer. So after allowing our oil to heat up, we're going to add our beef. Now you're going to keep stirring because you don't want them to stick together. So stir it properly, okay? Now we'll allow that beef to cook for like 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes on a high heat, I'm going to take my beef out of the stove. So guys, in the same pan, I'm going to add a bit of oil. I'm going to add garlic. I'm going to add onions. I'm going to add my green beans, and I'm going to add my sweet red pepper. So at this point we're going to work fast because we don't want our veg to overcook. Now we're going to add our oyster sauce. I'm going to add soy sauce. Now this is 1/4 of a cup. I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to add a bit of salt, and I'm going to add a bit of lemon juice. Now we're going to mix everything together. Now I'm going to add back my other veg. Now I'm going to allow that to simmer for a few seconds. So now I'm going to add our beef. Now I'm going to add this juice that came out from the meat. Now I'm going to give that a few seconds and it is ready. So I just added my chili. I'm gonna stir that very well. So guys, it is time to take this stir fry out of the stove. It is ready. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. It is smelling and looking so wonderfully good. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next one. Bye.